Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? And the previous days, my friend, Filecoin is completely fails now. Change occur and completely and the negative. But definitely, after a very long fails, my friend, after a very bad dumps, they take again, they get off, my friend, and they starting moving upward like a rocket. Completely, they go and the moon, my friend. So let's see to how which speed, my friends, they go and the moon. What's the update? What's the prediction to upcoming days? They really go in the moon or not, my friend? Everything in this video very important. Kindly subscribe this channel before I get started the video and press bell icon for this type more informative videos. Absolutely, I guide you. If you follow this channel, absolutely you never lost. So thank you so much for subscribing. Alright, if you can see, my friend, first of all, the update is very important. This time you can see, my friend, the price is increased now 1.94%. What a great change, my friend, occurred now in the last 24 hours. Because in the previous days, my friend, the price is very deeply decreased now, very fastly and decreased now. And I am also, my friend, cannot expect this, my friend, so they falls down like that. But definitely this is reality, my friend. Especially the main reason is that to short term investor, my friend, they are starting selling, so therefore I think they falls down very fastly. But don't see this, my friend. Let's see, my friend, what's the prediction of coming times. They moving upward or they falls down, my friend. If you could see, my friend, after a very big jump, my friend, they falls down. So therefore I'm very sad, my friend. In this time I remember this point to they falls down. But after this fail, my friend, they take again jump. You can see here after this jump they again falls down. So every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation to after a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump, my friend. You can see here like that. So after this fails also, my friend, after a jump, this jump, my friend, also they take a very good jump. So you can see here after this fails, my friend, I hope they also take a very good jump in upcoming time. So it's mean to Filecoin and upcoming time, my friend, they move up like a rocket. Definitely the good jump is now in upcoming time. A good jump is soon. I hope if you hold it, then absolutely they give you very good profit. So kindly hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.